302, Simpler Auto Tile Shader Part 21. Let's look at the code. So for the Art Deca system, we have this piece of global data for the system. It is a system internal counter, just a redundancy to help us find bugs. In the Art Deca functions, we have these monkey wrench macros right here. A lot of this code is just a cut, paste, refactor, CPR, or just a cut and paste with no refactoring at all. So it's going to look very similar to the Artgola system. So the initializer for the high quality is empty because we're going to do low quality first and get that working before we worry about high quality. So here's our initializer, multi-step, quality low, and we want to make sure that these two counters are in lockstep. We're going to error check our inputs here. Then down here, we have the three pieces of data we need for rasterization. We have the design, the palette, and the master memory index the design will go into. And then we're only going to rasterize if this flag ends up getting set to true. So the first time we end up in this function, we're going to set this design, this color palette, and this master memory cell, which is the only master memory cell for Art Deca, and it's going to store the decal patterns. For the next time we enter this function, dex is going to be 1, and we're just going to flag to the managing code that we are done and please don't call this function ever again. So you can see this OK is set to 0 here because we're not actually going to do work in the function. And here we see there's a guard around this function that is going to take the uDesign, the palette, and rasterize it and put it in the part of the texture that is identified by master memory index for the Art Deca cell. Okay, so down here, we're just going to do one more error check, and then we're done. And then down here, this is our multi-step initializer, our outer multi-step initializer for Art Deca. If quality is low, then we're going to do this low quality render. If quality is high, then we're going to do the high quality render and crash because there's no code in there. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our notes, and we got to get out of here. So you can go here for a longer description. Like and subscribe.